welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale and this is your December Double Shot Kit. The Double Shot Kit comes out every month. It includes 2 new collections, including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. So it's a great way to add a little bit of new stash to your inventory every month. And this month it's all about Christmas. And both of these collections are absolutely gorgeous. I just don't know where to even begin. Along with your kit each month, you'll receive 2 recipe cards for double page layouts, one for each one of the 2 collections, designed by the design team. It'll include a color photograph of the finished layout and some cutting and assembly instructions for you, so you can get started creating right away. Or you could just have fun and do your own thing with your kit. This month's collections are gorgeous. So let's get right to it and see both of these collections up close. Starting with this one, this is from Carta, their Christmas collection. Definitely has this warm, cozy Christmas kind of farm feel to it. And I don't know about you, but I am loving the black buffalo check in all of the designs nowadays. So for this one, you're going to get 2 sheets of maraschino cardstock, along with 1 sheet of vanilla. Your pattern paper includes this one called Cheery Stockings with those black buffalo plaid stockings hung by the garland on this wood grain background. Just beautiful. The back is a holly design with berries. This pattern paper called Festive Ornaments, which has Christmas ornaments all over it. And the back is a black plaid. And then this one called Jolly Wreaths, which has all kinds of greenery Christmas wreaths along with the little stars and the circles. The back is a diagonal check in the red and cream. So a beautiful, beautiful collection in the red and green traditional Christmas colors. Your embellishments are the chipboard stickers. So you have lots of choices here from large down to the little small so that you can just tuck in and make all kinds of little clusters. So that is Carta Christmas. Our next collection is My Mind's Eye Jingle All the Way. And this color scheme is just stunning. I love the turquoise with the red and the touches of pink here. So first off, you're going to get 2 sheets of white cardstock and 1 sheet of Calypso blue. For your pattern paper, we have this one called Poinsettia Pines, and it is poinsettias with the pine. And the back is a red holly leaf or mistletoe leaf with little white polka dots. This one called Through the Woods, which has all of these fun, whimsical little evergreen trees. And the back is a large buffalo check in a 2-tone green. And then this one, called Deck the Halls, has all of the brush strokes with all of the different colors in this color scheme, so you can really see all the different shades of green and turquoise and even this dark navy and kind of a lime green with the pink. So just really unique, but just gorgeous. And the back is a 2-tone red large polka dot. So one more look at the patterned paper. And then for the embellishment, you're going to receive 3 of the journaling cards. So these will vary among the kits, but this is the ones that I have. So you have full designs on the back and then journaling spots on the front. A 1/5 a pack of the enamel dots, so these will vary as well. I got the red ones. And 1/2 a pack of the sticker sheet. So these are the stickers that I received in my kit. So again, all of the embellishments will vary in your kit. But that's a good sample of what you will get. So again, just a gorgeous, fun collection and fun colors to document your holiday outings. So one more look at your double shot kit for December. Be sure to come on over to the Scrap Room blog and the Facebook group, join in on the challenges, see what the design team is creating with their kits as well as your fellow subscribers. Go to the store and check out the other kits available from the Scrap Room. And if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, click that subscribe button and then the notification bell and you'll be notified when new videos are released. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.